Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace or repair the alternator on Volkswagen Passat 5.5. The procedure is similar for Audi A4 and A6 with the 1.9 TDI engine. So first we'll start by removing the engine cover and then remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise so that it loosens the belt, and then we can remove it. That's the tensioner right there where I'm putting my wrench on, and the wrench is in the bolt. Now I need to turn it anti-clockwise and it will loosen the belt. And that's the belt out. There's another belt on the bottom driving the AC compressor. We can remove that as well if we want to replace the serpentine belt. To remove it, there is two bolts that need to be loosened. They're Allen key size 8. We loosen them and then the tensioner will loosen the belt. And that's the belt out. The alternator is held by two bolts, one on the top and one on the bottom. There is also an electrical connector on the back that we need to remove, and also the positive cable there we also need to remove it. But before removing the alternator, first we need to disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. After we disconnect the negative terminal of the battery, we can disconnect the electrical connector and then remove the positive cable on the alternator. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding the alternator and take out the alternator. And that's the alternator out. Now we can put in the new or the repaired alternator and then assemble everything in the reverse order. Now we tighten the alternator and then we can put on the serpentine belt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.